In the Brussels borough of Uccle, a tragic incident occurred when a 2-month-old baby was killed in a park after a tree branch fell on the child's pram. Yesterday's violent thunderstorm resulted in 1 fatality and extensive material damage, particularly in the region around Mechelen. The brief yet intense thunderstorm hit Brussels just before the evening rush hour, causing widespread disruption across the capital region, including severe flooding in several important tunnels. Heavy downpours led to road flooding, and wind gusts nearing 100 km/h caused chaos in some local areas. The Brussels Fire Brigade has already responded to over 100 calls. Spokesperson for the Brussels Fire Service, Walter de Rieu, reported around 1845 that there are approximately 150 incidents, such as flooded roads and fallen trees, pending attention. There are currently about 22 ongoing interventions, including a flooded Arts-Loy tunnel, de Rieu added. Additionally, 1 person sustained minor injuries from the collapse of a false ceiling, but has since been discharged from the hospital. Brussels Mobility reports several tunnel closures in the city, including the Cinquantaire, Stefania, and both directions of the Arts-Loy tunnels. Several vehicles were stranded. Later in the evening, more heavy showers flooded additional tunnels, including the Annie Cordy tunnel towards Basilica, the Reyers-Montgomery tunnel towards Abbaye de la Cambre, and the Montgomery Tunnel towards the 12th Road. These tunnels remained closed to traffic around 20 o'clock. Social media images depict several flooded streets, notably the major Rue Belliard in the European quarter. Traffic on the Brussels Ring Road was severely disrupted by fallen tree blocking traffic through Brussels. Wind gusts of up to 102 km/h were recorded in Uccle in the late afternoon. Brussels public transport operator STIB announced that its services are affected by the storm and activated the storm plan on its network around 1830. Train traffic across the country is also impacted, with potential delays and cancellations on the entire network, as announced by Belgian rail operator SNCB on social media. Rail traffic between Huizingen and Beersel is currently interrupted due to a fallen tree on the tracks in Etterbeek, disrupting traffic between Brussels and Otignies. Though the tree has been removed, train services will continue to be affected for some time. The stormy weather is also causing delays in high-speed train traffic to the Netherlands, with trains being diverted. More showers and thunderstorms are anticipated later on Tuesday evening. Antwerp province suffered the most damage from the storm. In Heffen-Mechelen, a church steeple was blown away, and in nearby Leest, 6 high-voltage masts were downed, damaging several houses. In Mechelen itself, the courts of justice in Margaret of Austria's palace sustained damage. In Nederland, 150 members of a youth camp had to be evacuated. A mini tornado caused damage in Londerzeel and Capelle op den Bosch, Flemish Brabant. Flooding also affected many areas of the province of Flemish Brabant. In East Flanders, the local library roof was blown off in Haltert, and an Aldi warehouse roof was blown off in Brakel. In West Flanders, a cyclist in Bruges was injured by a falling branch, and debris rained down on Yper Market Square following a lightning strike.